Hello everyone, and in front of me is REALME 15x, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select Security and Privacy, scroll down and mark Device Unlock. Now click on Fingerprint and Face Unlock, and obviously at first pick the backup that you wish to set as your home screen lock method. It can be pattern, pin code, password, whatever you prefer. I'll go with pattern. You need to wait 5 seconds just to read this notification. As you can see, you have to be aware that this password, this pin code, pattern, whatever you use, cannot be restored. So if you forget it, you will no longer be able to unlock your device and you will have to reset it. So just be aware of that and set the pattern or pin code that you will remember. Otherwise you will have to reset all data. Now manage notification content, and it's time to set fingerprint. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping with your finger. Just place it on the sensor, then lift it up and place it here again till it's fully set. Mark done, and that's it. That will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.